Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad to see you right now. You don't know how much I appreciate you coming around and how I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much for coming. Guys, today is just kind of a weird video, but I think it would help someone in one way or the other. We just moved to this bigger house, which is 2 bedrooms and a living room. Yay! Because we're blessed with now 2 kids. We're no longer in a 1 bedroom house. So we moved in like in kind of a hurry. We haven't fixed most of the things, like we haven't fixed our washer, and yes, today, man, I had to wash my kids' clothing with my own hands in UK. Yeah, I couldn't take them to the laundry because they're too much. If you're a mom of toddlers, and they just get the clothing dirty like crazy. It's like boom, 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 boom. One day they can get like 3 pairs or 3 to 4 pairs, or up to 5 pairs dirty, and you keep on changing. So we were waiting for someone to come and fix our washer, but it was taking so long, so I had to go and wash my kids' clothing with my own hand, because on Monday they are going to school, so I can't wait anymore. Guys, if you are moving, a tip for you: if you are moving to a new house, first things, especially if you are a family with toddlers, first things you should do, guys, fix your washing machine. Fix it before you move those little beauties to that house. So we just moved, we didn't fix the washers, and I had to pay for it today. I had to wash the clothing with my own hands. After nearly 7 years of not washing with my hands, so today let's dive in and see. So things that you should fix first in your house: fix your gas cooker, fix your washer, fix your internet. If those are like the foundation of every building, so you have to put concrete, you have to put cement, you have to put blah 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 blah. So those are the concrete of moving from one house to another. So fix all those and your life will be easy. So let's dive in and see how I'm gonna be washing these clothing with my own hand in a bathtub. Yes, bathtub where you shower. So I just feel like, oops, my back is gonna break. Yeah, so that is not going to break because it's more strong than a metal. But I wouldn't want to do it again. We are going to fix the washer as soon as possible. So please dive with me and wash my kids' clothes with our own hands. So here I'm taking the clothing to the washroom. There are a lot, but if I just feel so tired, I'm going to leave some of them. I'm not going to come here and kill myself. Pouring the powder into my clothing, and that is it. So I'm going to be like, you see how you keep like wash.
Woke up to the smell of mama's love on the stove. Laughter in the kitchen, yeah, that's how the morning goes. Little hands are reaching, stories in our eyes. We've come so far, got roots in the sky. Food, family, fresh starts, building home with open hearts. Passing plates and passing grace, new dreams in a brand new place. Through every tear and every scar, we've come together, that's who we are. From old streets to brand new days, love's the recipe that never fades.
Actually, my back was hurting bending from the ground to the bathtub. I had to enter into the bathtub and wash from there because that way it is nearer to when I bend than bending from the ground up to the wash tub. So you've seen most of them are here in the bucket. They are washed, and I just turn the water several times. Wash the first water and then the second and the third, just to make sure that the water is clear at the end. I don't want to see any soap around it. So that's how much I'm going to wash it. And that's how you do it. You wash and squeeze, and put it in the bucket and put new waters. That's it. So this is how I've done it. And here I'm just drying all of them, drying them up, and that is all about today's washing. I'm going to show you how much I've washed around the wirings. So let's just see how much I've washed.